In this video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube end screen on Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage and click on the main search bar. I type YouTube end screen to search for ready-made templates. Once the search results appear, I scroll down to the Canva templates section and click See All to browse through all the available designs. Canva offers a wide variety of outro templates in different aesthetic styles and themes. I scroll through the collection to find a layout that suits my content. After reviewing the options, I choose this gradient style outro template. A preview window appears with the template details, and I click the purple Customize this template button to open it in the editor. Once the template loads onto the canvas, I click directly on the background to select it. In the top toolbar, I click the background color tile to open the color palette panel on the left. I open the custom color picker and adjust the slider to a green hue. To enhance the look, I switch to the gradient tab, select a circular gradient style, and fine-tune the color stop to create a smooth, dark green gradient background. Next, I click on the main heading text that says, "Thank you for watching." From the top toolbar, I open the font menu, scroll down, and select Poppins. Then, I click the text color icon and choose white so the heading contrasts nicely against the green background. Now, I click the play button on the timeline to preview the animated end screen. I let it play for a few seconds to check the animations and timing of the subscribe button in video frames. I pause the playback, click on the elements, and review the timeline layers. Finally, I navigate to the top right corner and click the share button. In the menu, I click download, confirm the MP4 video format, and click the purple download button to export my new end screen. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a YouTube end screen on Canva.